Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Jessica, your teacher.
And I'm Jack, your learning buddy. Hi, everyone.
Today, we're going to talk about something very common, how to answer the question, how are you?
Oh, I know this one. I always say, I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Yes, Jack. Many English learners say that. But in real life, in America, people don't really say, I'm fine. It sounds a little formal or even cold.
Really? I didn't know that.
Yes. Today we'll learn 10 better ways to reply, more natural, friendly, and modern English expressions.
Wow, 10 ways? That's great.
Let's begin slowly. Listeners, you can repeat after us, okay?
Okay, let's go.
The first and most common one is, I'm good, thanks.
I'm good. Thanks.
Perfect. It's short, friendly, and sounds natural.
So if someone says, "Hey Jack, how are you?" I can say, "I'm good, thanks."
Exactly. And you can also add, how about you?
Oh, that's nice. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Great job. Okay, listeners, now you try saying it. I'm good, thanks. How about you? The second one is when you feel happy or excited. You can say, I'm great.
I'm great.
Yes, that means you're feeling wonderful.
So when it's Friday and I have no work, I can say, I'm great.
Yes, that's perfect. Let's all say it together. I'm great. Nicely done. Now, a fun and modern one. I'm awesome.
I'm awesome.
Good. Americans like to use this word when they're in a really good mood.
I'm awesome means I feel amazing.
Exactly. But be careful. Use it in a casual setting, not in a job interview.
Okay, I'll remember that.
Repeat after me. I'm awesome. Sometimes we don't feel amazing, right? Maybe we're a little tired.
Yes, that's me on Monday mornings.
Then you can say, I'm okay, just a little tired.
I'm okay, just a little tired.
Good. It sounds honest and polite.
So this one means I'm not bad, but not great either.
Exactly. Listeners, say it with us. I'm okay, just a little tired. Now, what if you have a lot of work or study?
Ugh, that's my life right now.
Then you can say, I'm good, just busy.
I'm good, just busy.
Great. It means you're fine, but you have many things to do.
So it's a polite way to show I'm busy but positive.
Perfect understanding. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I'm good, just busy. Sometimes we feel okay, not bad, not great. Then we can say, I'm all right.
I'm all right.
Perfect. It's casual and common in American English.
So I can say, I'm all right. How about you?
Exactly. That's a natural, short conversation. Listeners, try saying it now. I'm all right. How about you? When something nice happens, like you pass an exam or get a new job, you can say, I'm really happy.
I'm really happy.
Wonderful! It shows emotion.
I like this one. It sounds warm.
Yes. In American English, people often show feelings like this. Repeat after me. I'm really happy.
I'm really happy.
Here is another fun one. I'm so excited.
I'm so excited.
Great energy. This one means you can't wait for something good.
Like, I'm so excited for my vacation.
Exactly. You got it. Listeners, try saying, I'm so excited. Now, sometimes we don't feel great. Maybe we're sick or sad.
Yeah, we all have days like that.
Then you can say, I've been better.
I've been better.
Good. It means you're not feeling your best, but you're still polite.
Oh, I like that. It's honest but still kind.
Yes, exactly. Say it again slowly. I've been better.
I've been better.
And the last one, not so great today.
Not so great today.
Perfect. It's simple and honest.
So if I had a bad day, I can say, not so great today.
Yes, that's right. Americans appreciate real answers like that. Repeat with us. Not so great today.
Not so great today.
Okay, Jack, let's play a quick game. I'll ask, how are you? And you give me a different answer each time, okay?
All right, let's do it.
How are you, Jack?
I'm good, thanks.
How are you today?
I'm great.
How are you this morning?
I'm okay, just a little tired.
How are you after work?
I've been better.
How are you about the weekend?
I'm so excited.
Excellent. You sound very natural now.
Thank you. It feels good to use new phrases.
And for everyone listening, you can practice too. When someone asks, how are you? Try using a new answer each time. Here's a quick cultural note for our listeners. In the US, when people ask, how are you? They often don't expect a long answer. It's more like saying hello.
Oh, so if someone at a store says, "Hey, how are you?" I can just say, "I'm good, thanks."
Exactly. Just keep it short and friendly.
Got it. That makes conversations easier.
Yes, it does. Okay, Jack, let's review all 10 ways to reply to how are you?
Great idea.
1. I'm good, thanks. 2. I'm great. 3. I'm awesome. 4. I'm okay, just a little tired. 5. I'm good, just busy. 6. I'm all right. 7. I'm really happy. 8. I'm so excited. 9. I've been better. 10. Not so great today.
Wow, 10 new ways. That's a lot better than just saying, I'm fine.
Yes, and each one helps you sound more natural and confident in English.
I'll start using these from now on.
Perfect! And for all our listeners, keep practicing. Try one new phrase every day.
That's a good idea.
You did amazing today, everyone. Remember, learning English is about small steps, and today you made one more step forward.
Yeah, keep listening, keep repeating, and don't forget to smile when you speak.
Very good advice, Jack.
Thank you.
Thanks for joining us today. If you liked this lesson, make sure to follow our podcast and listen to the next episode.
See you soon, everyone.
Bye for now.